Hi, I'm Ajayi. I'm a solar access manager and project developer with StraightUp Solar. What is Illinois Solar for All? It's a program that's funded by the state that's designed to provide access to solar for marginalized communities. Communities that have been typically on the bad end of environmental policy, where coal plants have been located and all the various air quality issues have arisen. So the goal here now is to find a way to better those same communities that have suffered for so long under coal-based energy policy. The reaction from those who are eligible for Illinois Solar for All is initially one of disbelief. The various sub-programs that exist in Illinois Solar for All basically result in I call them power plants, because that's really what they are, being put on the roofs at no capital cost to the homeowner or to the nonprofit or to the municipality. And this can be anywhere from a $15,000 solar array to a $600,000 solar array. And when you tell people that they're going to see a reduction of 50 to 65% on their energy bills, they're incredulous when it comes to that. And you see their eyes light up when they say, wow, I have a $50,000 a year energy bill, and that could be reduced to $10,000. What can I do with this extra $40,000? Wow. So you realize that you're actually helping these organizations do more of the good things that they do. That's really fulfilling. And then when you see the panels go up, you see the finished product, and you realize that the sun is producing clean energy for these folks to use, that's really fulfilling as well. People need to see. They need to see representation. So just like we see diversity in entertainment, on television and news programs, so that young people can aspire to be a news anchor or a doctor or an accountant or a teacher. In the same way, if you can see solar in your neighborhood, you understand that solar is for you as well. It's not just for the rich folks who live on that side of town. My experience working in Illinois Solar for All has been literally life-changing. It's uplifting to the spirit to be able to go to communities that would never have imagined solar on their buildings, on their homes, and to see them realize the benefits of clean energy, both from an environmental perspective and from a financial one.